So assignment question number 22. Let x, y be a Banach space over field K and T such that x into y be a bounded linear operator. If T is bijective, prove that there are positive real number K1, K2 such that K1 norm x is lesser than equal to norm Tx is lesser than equal to K2 norm x. So comes on the proof. So since xy is a Banach space over the field by the statement of the theorem, sorry, not a theorem, by the statement of the question that xy is a Banach space of the field. So xy are normed space, it is obvious. So Tx into y be a bilinear operator, then the by definition of bilinear operator there exists some positive real number K2 such that norm Tx is lesser than equal to K2 norm x. So this part of the question is obvious. Now comes on the proof of this part. So for that we will use the theorem. The statement of the theorem is that xy be a Banach space over the field K and Tx into y be a bilinear operator. If T is bijective, it implies that T inverse is a bilinear operator. That is the statement of a theorem, and we will be apply this theorem in to prove this part of the theorem, this part of the question. So since T inverse is bilinear, T inverse is a bilinear operator, and T inverse y into x be a bilinear operator, a linear operator, then the by definition of bilinear operator there exists some positive real number k dash which is greater than or equal to 0 such that the norm T inverse y is lesser than or equal to k dash norm y. So since by in the questions statement of the questions T is bijective, so T inverse is also a bijective, so some x, for each y there exists some x such that T inverse y is equal to x, or we can say that y is equal to Tx. It is obvious, and then we apply in the place of y is equal to Tx in the statement in the equation number second. So T inverse Tx norm is lesser than equal to k dash norm Tx. So since this is the lesser than equal to norm of x by the properties, and k dash is less than equal to k dash, and the remaining part is similar. So putting this in the upon of that, so 1 over k dash norm x over x is lesser than equal to norm Txy. So we can put this is equal to k, so this is the k norm x over x is lesser than equal to norm Tx, and this is the our third part, and using first part and third part we get k1 norm of x over x is lesser than equal to norm of Tx y is lesser than equal to k2 norm of x over x. So this is the proof of the statement, or we can consider the questions. Thank you.